Singsang Tai Tai Lei Ho. I am Maricel Ibajo, born on September 26, 1986, 39 years old from Cavite, Philippines. I am a single parent and blessed with two children, ages 20 and 18 years old. I'm a high school graduate and I like cleaning, cooking, and taking care of kids. I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 1 year and 1 month from April 2022 to May 2023. I served one couple and a newborn baby. I worked as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 2 years and 3 months, from July 2023 to October 2025. I served one couple and newborn baby.
Hello, Miss Maricel Ibajo. How are you today?
I am good and thank you, sir.
Okay, may we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My main duties is taking care of the whole family, providing the services that they need, especially when it comes to their baby.
Okay, so what are your reasons why you want to go back again in Hong Kong?
Because I already experienced their culture and also because the people are nice.
Okay, so can you cook some Chinese food? Can you give us example dish and how to cook it?
Yes, sir. Like vegetable stir fry, first you need to stir fry mixed vegetables such as bell peppers, carrots, broccoli, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, and then serve over rice.
Okay, so what is the most important thing in taking care of children?
To prepare their food on time, check if their clothes is wet, and always keep them safe.
Okay, so how will you assist the child when crossing the street?
Hold their hand and look to the right and left before crossing.
Alright, what is the most important thing in carrying a baby?
Regularly check the diaper if it's wet, feed the baby on time, and give the medicine on time.
How will you arrange your duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
Attend the baby first, bath the baby, feed the baby, and once the baby is sleeping, that is the time that I can do my household chores.
Okay, so what if you found out that the baby has fever and your employer is not at home? What will you do?
First, I need to call and inform my employer or the parents and call a doctor for the help and advice.
Okay, do you have any last message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your housemate because I need this job and it will be a big help for my family. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities and I will finish my contract.
Alright, before we end, can you share your best smile? Thank you very much, Miss Maricel Ebajo, and hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Ma'am and sir, thank you for I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.